Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some shapes. Heart, cross, star, oval, crescent. Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, violet color, gray color, light green color, plum color, sky blue color, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Violet color, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. No, it's violet color, gray color. 37, 38, 39, 40. No, light green color. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Plum color, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Sky blue color heart, violet color cross, gray color star, light green color oval, plum color crescent. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Subscribe.